Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usual, my name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today guys, I'm super excited about filming this video because today I want to show you one of the most rare plants. Actually, this type of a plant I want to show you are not find so easy in nurseries, in some plant shops or somewhere else. And yeah, I'm actually lucky today because I managed to find it. And as you know, I'm fond of every type of plant that is variegated, that has variegated leaves. So yeah, today I want to show you and to talk with you about this beautiful plant. The name of its plant is Fatshedera or Hedera or Fatshedera. This plant is so gorgeous, so beautiful because of its leaves. Actually, I'm fond of every type of a plant that has variegated leaves. And when I saw it, of course I decided to buy it. Why not? I want to add some more variegated, unusual plants to my collection. So, if you're interested how to grow, how to care, how to multiply or propagate this type of a plant, please keep watching. So the first thing I want to tell you is that the ivy plant care requires some space due to its size and is an excellent specimen for entryways or other locations of prominence. Why actually does this plant is called the ivy tree? That's because Fatshedera Lizei tree ivy, also known as bush ivy, is a rapid grower attaining heights of up to 8 to 10 feet. So what is the tree ivy anyway? Tree ivy is a hybrid of Fatsia japonica and Hedera helix, actually an English ivy, and it was discovered in France. If you are interested how to grow an ivy house plant indoor, I will tell you, of course. Well, growing indoor requirements for tree ivies are fairly simple. This evergreen needs indirect light, although it may be grown in full sun in cool coastal regions in the northern climates. Fatshedera Lizei tree ivy is also partial to acids or slightly alkaline loam or sandy soil medium kept slightly damp and with adequate drainage. A lovely variety of tree ivy is Fatshedera variegated, which, as the name indicates, is a variegated cultivar with cream-sticked leaves. It is a slow-growing plant and only attains a height of about 3 feet. So, what about the soil? What soil does this beauty love? Well, actually, Fatshedera is not too picky when it comes to a soil. It prefers moist but well-drained soil. Clay, chalk and loam all works good. There is neutral to slightly acidic. What about watering? Well, actually, the common problem every growers have is overwatering. So, the regular moisture is essential for this type of a plant, but avoid overwatering. During its growing season, spring and summer, try to moisten your soil regularly. Water regularly to ensure the soil never dries out, saturating the soil completely until the water runs from the container's drainage holes. During the fall and winter months, cut back on your watering slightly to allow the plant to rest. When talking about temperature and humidity, well, actually Fatshedera Lizei prefers cooler temperature, but also doing best in rooms that are kept to a temperature from 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. It does not necessitate any additional forms of humidity to thrive within your home, but should be kept away from particularly strong or cold drafts. Of course, don't forget to fertilize your plant, baby. To give your plant an added boost of nutrients, feed it regularly with a liquid fertilizer throughout the growing season. Cut fertilizer back to once a month or so in the fall or winter time. Now let's talk about the propagation. How should you propagate, or should I propagate this beauty to have like more plants from this beautiful bush? Well, actually this variety can be propagated both by seed and stem tip cuttings. It's unlikely your plant will flower indoors, so you are better option for the stem tip cutting method. To propagate, take a cut of the stem from a mature plant early in the growing season and use rooting hormone for the best success. Place a pot filled with moist soil and cover the pot with a plastic bag. Keep cuttings in a warm, humid place until the new growth emerges. It should take to root to 1 from 2 months, so the roots will appear approximately in the 2 months. Now I would like to tell you a few words about potting and repotting a Fatshedera Lizei tree. Well, because the Fatshedera Lizei tree ivy can grow to be so large, keeping an eye on its pot is very important. Once the plant is showing signs of outgrowing its vessel, like roots growing out of the drainage holes or up from the pot, somewhere here or here, or at least once a year, replant your plant in a larger pot. Of course, this type of plant, as all types of plants, have some diseases and pests. Like many plants, Fatshedera is susceptible to a variety of aphids, which are also known as plant lice. These very common pests feed on the leaves of the plant, typically new growth, and can stunt or hinder its ability to prosper. They are fairly easy to control if caught early enough and can be killed off using a neem oil spray. So this could be almost all I wanted to tell you about this beauty, this new plant I have in my collection. I'm super excited about having this type of a plant, as I said before, because it's not so commonly widespread in plant shops, in nurseries, and so on and so forth. It could be like a type of a rare plant, so to say. So I'm super excited having this beautiful baby. Also, I wanted to tell you how to care, how to grow, how to propagate, because it's very important, as I think, because when a plant is not so widely spread, it could be some tips and tricks, you know. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was useful as always for you. If yes, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you very soon in my next video. Bye!